didn't see you standing there. Why don't maybe you guys want to come along with me? I'll show you how to make a bag of dicks. First, you need a bag, but not just any bag. A brown paper bag. Second, a little bit of salt, maybe a lot of salt. Just depends on how salty you want them. Pepper. Pepper's always good. Dicks. The more the better. Chicken skin. And what you want to make sure that you do on your bag of dicks is you need to make sure that you write a heartfelt letter, or at least write who they're to and who they're from. Like that. After you have washed and dried your dick, and you have your salt and your pepper, take your paper bag. Open up said paper bag and just throw all the dick in there. Man, that's a lot of dick. Make sure they're seated in the bottom. You want to make sure that you take your pepper and open it up, and that looks like it's good. Sometimes you don't want to put too much salt in there. A lot of times when it comes to salt and you're serving up a bag of dicks to someone, make it the saltier the better. Finally, you want to fold the top 1, 2, maybe even 3 times to ensure that the packaging will stay together through the mail. After you get done doing that, write your letter or note to the person that you're sending the bag of dicks to. To JT from FDB, and make sure you label it properly. That way they know when they pull it out of the box exactly what a bag of dicks is. Let me know if there's anything else that I can help you with, and I'll try to make sure that I show you how to fix it up. Thanks.